You guys, I am so excited to show you this house here in Meridian. It just comes over 2,100 square feet. It's got some beautiful features. I can't wait to show you an amazing aspect in the garage. And I'm so excited to tell you about the community here in Meridian and all that it has to offer. So here in the kitchen, you guys can see we have these gorgeous quartz countertops. And I really love that they did a very neutral and warm colors theme throughout this house. So you've got these beautiful tile that goes all the way up to custom cabinetry. You also have the soft close, which makes it really nice. Great gas stovetop by Bosch. All the appliances here are in Bosch. You've got your great Blanco sink. If you know your sinks, you know Blanco is top brand. This kitchen just lends to have great usable space. So you've got a great big island, you've still got counter space over there, easy access to your pantry, your fridge, and then you've got this great room over here. So here in the great room, you've got a fireplace that adds coziness to this area. You've also got some custom shelving in here, your custom cabinetry as well. So just a great use of this space, and it's light in here. You've got a wall of windows, but it doesn't even stop there. As you continue on into your dining room, you've got more windows and great quick access out to your back patio. And if you can see, there's one aspect that makes this community so great in Meridian. You've got a view out there, and I'll tell you more about it when we go outside. Okay, you guys, we're in Skybreak, which is in Meridian, but what makes Skybreak's community the it place in Meridian is that it sits on a ridge. It's not in the flat part where the rest of Meridian is. We're sitting up, so you get great views of the mountains, great views of Boise, and they also have pickleball courts here. They have a community pool. They have a dog park. They have a great community park as well with a playground. They have trails and walking paths. This community has pretty much everything you could want, and the location is great, just right alongside South Boise. Easy access to the freeway, easy access to the Discovery Park, the new one right off of Lake Hazel, as well as quick access to the YMCA in South Meridian. Okay, we're gonna get ready to head into the primary bedroom, but before we do, I wanted to tell you guys that we are in a BlackRock home. They are a local builder, and throughout the year, you may find that they do offer incentives. So currently right now, ending in 2025, they are offering a $20,000 seller concession. They do a really good job with details. One being here in the living room, they have the beams up on the ceiling. And as we head into the primary bedroom, I'll show you what they've done in there. So here in the primary bedroom, they have the nice ceiling detail with lights, also including a fan. They've also got the taller trim all around and also around the windows. Again, it's light, it's airy in here between the colors, the windows that they've chosen. And then this bathroom, I think, has a great floor plan. You've got the dual vanities. Again, they're keeping with the quartz countertops, the very warm neutral wood. And I do love that they've done all the details in the brass gold hardware. You've got your walk-in shower here. You've got a nice walk-in closet here where the light turns on just as you walk in. Super nice if you have your hands full of laundry getting ready to put it away. Okay, you guys, this is the Greyhawk model that BlackRock builds. It comes over just over 2,100 square feet, and it has a really great floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So as you walk in, you have 2 bedrooms off to the side with their own bath, and then you have your great room here, you have your kitchen, your dining room, then you also have a bedroom over there that has its own bathroom, which I think that just lends so great if you have guests, if you have an older kid that wants a little bit more space. They've got their own bathroom and bedroom, and then over just off the great room, you have the primary bedroom. And then down this way, you have a great closet storage. Again, if you needed space for more pantry items than what was included in The kitchen pantry, I think it lends pretty easily to store some things in here as well. You have your laundry room off here, and I'm excited to show you the garage next. Okay, you guys, here's the garage of the Greyhawk. You have your 2 cars here, plus you've got this great RV boat bay over here, 31 feet long, but the exciting part that I wanted to show you guys is it also has a separate area for a shop. So if you're someone that has hobbies, woodworking or hunting, the ideas could be limitless, but you have your own space back here that's just kind of set aside for whatever you wanted this space to be. One other thing I want to mention, I was mentioning earlier that BlackRock has great attention to detail, is look where the outlets are in here. They're higher than down below, and that way if you needed to put benches around here, your work benches, woodworking benches, your outlets are just where you want them to be. So this home checks so many luxury item boxes, but what also makes this home stand out is the community it's in. It is in Skybreak. Skybreak is located in Meridian. Now what makes Skybreak unique is it's not built on the flat farmland like most the rest of Meridian. It's actually built on a unique ridge just in South Meridian that overlooks the mountains. You can see some of the Boise City, and it also overlooks the Boise Ranch golf course. So Skybreak has 2 communities, one being the village. Those home prices are going to range from $400,000 to $500,000. The other area being the estates, where the prices do climb pretty high into the $600,000 and $900,000 range. And those homes are in a gated community. So if you're looking for a gated community, I would highly suggest the estates. Now the amenities in Skybreak are pretty great. You have your own community pool. You also have a community park with a playground. Not only that, you have pickleball courts, a dog park, and trails and walking paths all around. You also are right next to the Boise Ranch golf course, which you're not necessarily a part of that, but you're also not paying for those high HOA fees, but there are direct paths from Skybreak into Boise Ranch golf course. So if you love to golf, it's just another perk of Skybreak.